it's good. We're done. Okay, remove now your ladder. Where are you gonna put your ladder? Put upstairs along the side. Yeah, this is just gonna.
Yeah. I think it worked around that. A lot of people don't go out there though, last night, you know? Huh? That's not where the action is. The action is down here, right? It's only the kids that screw around there.
So guys, we are done here. I show you. We are done hanging. This is how many hours I done roughly?
We start 5, 6. So we start 6 is
Well, it starts 6 and the time.
the action started.
What time is
7:30. So
this
1.5 hours.
Huh?
1.5 hours.
So okay. So this one,
Almost 2 hours.
this one is we finished half 1.5 hour, almost 2 hours, because when we hang, it's really on a perfect point of each panel. So we don't have any screw up. Everything we put hang, that's perfect. The point. There's no screw up. A perfect location. Everything is look good. The slope, the drip of the panel, everything's good. So this is how it look like when it's done. So they hire me only the ceiling canopy. They're the one who do the table, backdrop, they're the one who do it themselves. So I show you this is how it look like the whole room. That one there, go in the side here. So the panel when we hang is in the middle of the ceiling canopy.